Wow! That's further. Okay, hold the plane right here and make a throw. Okay, right here and make a throw. Wow! Oh my gosh, this plane flies so far. Let me go to pick it up. Should we use this plane for paper airplane contest? Like long distance contest? This would be one of the best one, right? So let me go over here again. And I'm going to throw it one more time to see how it works. Okay, hold it right here and let me throw it. You can see how far from here to over there. Let me throw it one more time. Wow! This time doesn't fly as far as the previous one, but still flies very far. So let me go to pick it up. Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I am going to teach you how to make a new jet fighter. This paper airplane is a new design, and I hope you guys will enjoy making this awesome jet fighter. First of all, to make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. If you do not have US letter size paper, as usual, try to use A4 paper. Now, first step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Press down the paper, then unfold it. Now let's start from the bottom here, this edge forward to the center crease. Alright, unfold the paper again and start from this edge again forward to the new crease that you just made. Alright, so let me adjust the paper just a little bit. Press down the paper. Okay. Now you have a new crease. Awesome. On the following step, let's unfold the paper again and start from this edge forward to the center crease to create a new crease. Alright, so just leave it here. If you force up a little bit, that's fine. If you already do that, let's just do it. Just make sure that it stays straight. If it's not, then just adjust the paper a little bit. Okay, here we go. So it should be like this. That should be okay too. Okay, so we finished this piece of paper. On the following step, let's place the paper like this and fold the paper in half. Okay, let's fold the paper in half. On the following step, let's fold the paper in half again. Start from this side forward to this side. Just fold slowly and press down the paper. Press it down, press it down, and unfold the paper. Now let's start from the up edge forward to the center crease. Okay, and repeat the same fold for this side. Now unfold the paper for both sides. Fold both sides to the center crease. See these sides up here to the center crease. Okay. Now you can unfold this piece of paper and fold to the center crease. Oh, this is not. Okay, so just fold to the center crease. Now it's just look like a normal piece of paper. Okay, same thing here, fold to the center crease. Adjust the paper when you fold, okay? Okay. And now fold this piece to a side. The reason why I make many folds because we will have a crease here. we want to have a crease here, and then we have a crease here. These creases will be helpful for the future fold. So let's do it now. Now we already finished these folds. Now let's flip the paper over, fold this one to a side, and fix the paper. Now let's start from this edge fold to the center crease. Okay. Now you have, this is a preference, okay, and you can fold this piece of the paper out, okay, and you can just fold it out to match, use this one as a preference to match this. Okay, here we go. And now I can fold this piece of paper to a side, same thing, this one to a side, and press down the paper. Now start from this edge, fold to the center crease. Now you can see you have a crease here already, right? The crease in the edge is will help you to fold this part of the paper out. Okay, see how we fold this here? We'll do the same thing on this side. See how it's helpful? On the following step, I will flatten the paper down. Now we have both sides look like this. That's okay. This is what we want. Okay, now let's turn the paper over, and I'll show you the next step. On the following step, I'll fold it. You can see this crease right here. So I just fold this part of the paper toward the crease. It's just very light here, you can see it. Okay, it's crossed this edge, so just fold straight to that edge and press down the paper. Now I will redo the same fold for this side. Okay, so it's looked really good for both sides now. Okay, and now let's flatten the paper down. On the following step, let's start from this edge forward toward this side, and now we have this as a reference here. Okay, let's pull this one backward so we can have some preference. We already fold that edge, that's fine. We use this as a preference. Now I'll use this as a preference again to fold this side. So fold this layer out, and I'll fold out a little bit and use this as a preference. Okay, and the distance here is about 1 inch. So I press down the paper, and I'll fold this part of the paper to a side. Same thing for this side. Alright, I fold it down here, and I can use the below edge here as a reference to fold the other sides of the wing. So let me show you again. I fold this like this, right? And then I fold this part of the paper back to hold the wings. I fold this layer toward the other side, and I'll use the below layer as a reference. So press this down. Now it may not look really cool, but once we finish the plan, it will be an awesome paper plan. Alright, so I finished this side of the paper and fold it backward. Here we go. So you already see something very familiar, right? Now on the following step, I'm going to fold this part of the paper down. Okay, and I fold this one back, I fold this one down. I'll make sure that both sides are even, so I will fold this one. I'll make sure that I fold both sides evenly. Okay, if I fold this here, this should be more a bit here too. If it's not even, then I didn't fold correctly, so I fixed this one for now. So to ensure that both sides are even, I fixed the crease and fold it backward. Okay, alright, so it's looked very cool. Let me flip the paper over, as we have a lot of creases here. That is fine. And now you can see this crease. See this crease here, right? I'm going to use that crease as a reference, but I'll fold it back like this first. Okay. I'll make a quick fold here, and then I'll use this as a reference as well. So I'll fold this one until I can hit this. This is a tricky fold, so I'll just fold this part of the paper, and I'll just use the crease here as a reference. But You can do that. This is very easy. Hold this one up and then fold it down, curve it until you hit it, until you hit that point. Okay, so now I hit that point. I hold the paper right here and press this out. Do not press this too hard, okay? This is just used as a way to fold the blend. So now I have that point, the other point. I fold this one back and I flip the paper over. I fold it backwards. See, we already have a crease. This is very easy now. You can fold upwards here a bit and press down the paper. If it is not, you may need to adjust it. Here we go. Just a little bit. I will adjust here. So now I finish this side. I fold this one backward. I fold this one here, and now I can have this as a crease, as a reference, and I can fold it. But okay, I fold it a little bit more, a little bit more. There is almost hit the crease that I just make. If that doesn't hit, then I have to fix this. So I have both sides of the wings are even. I fold this to a side again and flatten down the paper. Okay, flatten down the paper. This is very cool. Okay. Okay, if it is not even, that means you. So this side you can see a distance here a bit. That means on this side I didn't put it properly. So I will adjust it just a little bit to ensure that both sides are even. I've moved this part of the paper up just a little bit, and I fold this part of the paper down again. If it is not, then I just hold my hands right here so I can fold this properly. Here we go. So I have both sides of the paper airplane even. A little bit here, not right too, but that's okay. That's okay. So on the following step, we will fold this one up, but that should be the next step. On the following step, I'll fold this to a side. I'll start from this part of the paper and fold it to the center crease. And fold it into the center crease. Okay, same thing for this side. I fold it to the center crease. I fold it to the center crease. You can see that the folding technique is very, very close to the F-35. You know what? This will be a good practice for me to show the next paper airplane tutorial, the F-35. Okay. So now this side of the paper I will fold up to create the wings. So when I pull up, this one pop up, I just fix it. Okay, that's fine. I just fold up, just fix it. I can fold up just a little bit more, and I just press this down. Yeah, you can see that. Same thing for this side. I'll fold this one up. You see this pop up. I just press this down. I press the paper down. If I will have to adjust this one a little bit more. Oh, not too much. If you do it too much, then it will look really ugly. So just enough. Okay, here we go. So we have the stabilizer. Just fold down the stabilizer here for both sides. Okay, on the following step, this is a tricky part of the plan because we want to make the cabin of the airplane, right? So hold the paper airplane right here. When you use your finger, move it right here. You see it pop up, and use the other index finger, hold it up here. This just estimate this is about 1.5 inches, and press down the paper like this. And then I just push both sides of the paper all together. Okay. And you can see this one pop up. That's fine. I've just adjusted while I'm doing that step. If you don't adjust it while you're doing that step, it will be very difficult. So if I adjust it, it will look like this. Do not press too much, okay? Here, the distance is about 1/2 inch. Do not push too much. If you push this too much, the blend will look very ugly. So just like this, just a little bit. Okay, and then press down the both sides of the paper. Let me press down. This is one of the hardest steps. I don't spend much time to invent another way to fold this because this is hard, but it's doable. But if you know another way to fold the wings, use it. Okay, so just fold the blend like this. Okay, and on the following step, I just fold the stabilizer down so that I can make the wing easier. So now I have both sides of the wings. I will just curve this part of the paper up to create the first wing. So let me curve it. And I'll curve both sides, not just only one side, but both sides of the paper. Okay, so I fold this already, and I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other sides to create the other wing. So just curve it. Note that this is a difficult fold, so you may just have to adjust it. Okay, here we go. So I finished both sides of the wings, and the head of the blend is just right here. It's very tall, long blend. Okay, it's right here, and this one I pull it up a bit. Okay, just like a jet blend. So fold this part of the paper up. Oh, I have to fix this one. Okay, fix the elevators. Also, this elevator here needs to fix, otherwise the plane will crash crazily. Okay, here as well. Fix this here, and fold this one out to help elevate the plane when it's flying. For this side too, fold it up just a little bit. Here we go. Okay, we just fold it up here a bit so both sides are even. Okay, look at this guys. Here we go. So here you go guys, this is a new paper airplane. I hope you guys enjoyed making this jet fighter. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.